you doing? Short video today. I'm exhausted. Hold on. There we go. You all know I'm in full school time. Or at least if you don't know, then now you know. And I also started playing hockey again, which means right now I am incredibly sore, and you may get video of that sometime soon. For some strange reason, I decided, or my classmates decided, that I would be the best person to represent them for student government, which was nice, but it also means I have a lot less time than I thought I would have. And then school just is school, so yeah. And then life is life, so yeah, there you go. I am not leaving. I will continue to make magical videos on Thursdays for years to come, or, well, as long as you guys put up with me. But today is gonna be just this, and I haven't collapsed onto my bed yet because I don't know why not. So, Barbara, it was nice to see you. Barbara, it was nice to see you again. Paul, it was great to finally see you, even if it was in Barbara's video. I hope you feel better, both of you. Oh wait, was Paul sick? I don't remember. But I hope you're both happy and healthy and happy. Let's see. Chloe couldn't post yesterday. Not yesterday. Chloe couldn't post on whatever the fuck day it is that she posts because she had school and stuff and junk, and same excuse I have right now for not posting a proper, well, fuck off, this is a proper video. Cass, fuck, what did you do last week? Fuck, I'm trying to do this all in one shot, and it's not working out. What? Shit. Cass, you're wonderful, we love you. I don't remember, oh wait, yes, you didn't post anything at all last week. That's why I couldn't remember what you posted. Cass, we'll see you tomorrow, I hope. Yeah, I'm gonna go die now. Bye.